Hey guys, welcome back to Rockford YouTube channel. For this video I have some amazing Amazon deals to share with you. Mostly tool deals. We'll venture in a little, we'll go off the reservation just a little bit here, but we'll bring it back. Don't worry about it. We'll have the links down below if you see anything that you're interested in, and I know you will. And don't be surprised if before the day is over you see another video. I got a whole video ready, lined up, still have to record it for Home Depot, Lowe's, and Walmart deals that you're going to really like. So hopefully we get that done. But for this video we're talking Amazon deals. I'm starting with maybe my favorite deal, but I got a problem with it. So first off, it's the cordless plastic welding gun for Milwaukee M18 batteries, portable automotive tool machine, hot stapler. You're getting 6 types of 600 staples, and it's by eCark, 50% off. You guys know, I don't have to tell you, but I'm going to anyways. I love these generic tools that work with our cordless tools that we already have, the batteries and the chargers and all that we're already in the platforms. So hot staplers, you know, it's got these little electrodes, whatever you want to call them. The staples slide in there, and you have either straight across, you got the wavies, you got the inside corners, the outside corners, any type of plastic that you have to, you know, work with that you're trying to repair. And it gets hot, it melts the plastic, you embed the staple, then you cut off the legs, and these things work great for repairing plastic, and everything nowadays is made out of plastic. And what is plastic good for? It's good for braking. That's what it does. Okay, it cracks. So I really love this item. And then I'm looking at the price here, and it's $27.99. And I would pay $27.99 for it. I don't even need a discount. To me, that is worth $27.99. And I especially love these generic tools when it's something that the brand itself does not make this. Milwaukee, unless I'm totally in the dark on a new tool they've dropped, does not have a plastic stapler. A hot staple, plastic welding gun, whatever the hell you want to call this thing. They don't even make it. Now, I know a lot of you have Milwaukee tools. It's $27.99. It's 50% off, so it's only $13.99. I just checked this promo code before starting the video, because here's the thing. I'm looking at this deal, and I'm thinking this is an amazing thing that I think anyone who has Milwaukee tools, which I know a ton of you guys do, could definitely use this, and it's under $15. Totally useful item at an amazing price, something that most people probably don't already own, but as much plastic as in our lives could definitely use. And I was looking at this, and I posted this a little after noon today, and I don't think I've seen it pop up in my affiliate account today, because I always like to skim through, see what people are buying, because sometimes that's a good place for me to find deals. Someone buys something like, hey, that's pretty nice, how much was that? And then boom, it was cheap, and that's something I can post. So I skimmed through, and I'm like, you know what? 100 of these should sell. I think 100 people should be looking at this and be like, oh yeah, that's a good thing that I want to buy. So I feel like I'm missing something here. I don't know what I'm missing, because I think it's an amazing price and a useful item, but it hasn't been as popular. I'm very shocked. Sometimes that happens. Other times there's things where I'm on the fence of posting, like, I don't know if I even want to post this. It's kind of good. It's okay. It's a little obscure. And then it's like, and there's just like a million people buying. I'm like, geez, I didn't see that coming. So now here, amazing deal. We can always use more LED lights. 50-watt LED work light, 5500 lumen, portable floodlight withstand, waterproof. This is by High Chica. It's 50% off. Love little lights like this. We can never have enough lighting. Okay, you're out in the garage, you're working on stuff. You need bright lights, got to be able to see. Got a nice long cable on this guy. $28.99, which again, that's not a bad price. That's cool. But we have a 40% promo code. We have a 10% coupon. We're going to cut that in half. They do stack. I did check that. So it's $14.50. Really nice for LED light, $14.50 or thereabouts. People give me shit on my math. It's good enough, okay? Good enough. Next up, the electric circular saw, 6.2 amp mini circular saw with 3 blades, compact handsaw, max cutting depth, rubber handle, 10-foot cord, another High Chica deal. 30% off. So you see we get a couple of different blades, you get your little guide there. Little mini circular saws, they're more useful than I expected. I was shocked when I got mine. I was like, damn, this thing actually is pretty nice. Starts out at $69.99. That's too much, but We have a 30% promo code and a $10 coupon. Now, the $10 comes off the $69.99, but also the 30% comes off that. We don't take 30% off the discounted price. They both come off the top. Amazing deal. Got a tool bag. We'll go kind of quick with this one because we had a tool bag in about a week ago in a video, so maybe some of you guys who are interested already picked it up. Heavy duty tool organizer. You got zipper pouches. This is by Ironland, and it is 50% off. So there it is right there. Handy dandy on the go with you. Now, here I included the text link version. This is supposed to go through the 17th. They had 3 different options. I didn't pay close enough attention to know what the differences are. There was 3 roll-up tool bags. Look pretty damn similar to me. But $29.99 half off. It's going to be $15 for that guy. Now I want to show you the apparel deals page, so I'm just going to link this down below, and it'll have several of these deals. We got the Timex watch here, is $31. Here's what I want to show you, one of them anyways. The Hanes hoodie right now is only $10.88. I didn't check other sizes and other colors, but if you could wear a large and don't mind navy blue, it seems like a pretty common color that you might like, $10.88 for a hoodie. Amazing deal. Again, other sizes and colors may be discounted as well. Got the Casio at $13.77. Now here's one that I picked up myself. The 6-pack of t-shirts, and they had different color options, different size options for this as well. It's $15.40, but then there's also a $2 coupon on the page, so $13 for 6 shirts, about $2. Can't beat that for some shirts. And then there's the Hanes socks. So they had these in black, and they also had them in white. This was an 8-pack, $8.40, but then also a $1.50 coupon. So stocking you up on some of the essentials. Electric screwdriver, 4-volt max cordless screwdriver, rechargeable, LED light by Sirocco, 30% off. So a little guy like this, little rechargeable, comes with your bit rails. LED light up here. Normally $15.29, not too bad, but 30% coupon on the Amazon page, about 1/3 off, $5 off ish. So $10 for your rechargeable screwdriver. Got a camping lamp, cob lantern, power outage lantern, emergency supplies, suitable for indoor outdoor camping site by New Fammy, 40% off. I thought it looked pretty sharp. $18.99, 40% promo code, $10 or so. And I believe it was dimmable. Does it say somewhere that it was dimmable? I thought I saw it was dimmable. Maybe it is not. But perfect for power outages. Oh man, power goes out here because it's windy as shit, and then it's snowy, and I swear half the time though when the power goes out here, it's like a perfectly beautiful day. Sunny, no wind, no nothing. Power's out for 6 hours. Why? What happened? Anyway, that's not the point. We're going to get some real goofy edits here. Man, I usually try and get through the whole thing so I don't have to edit at all because I'm super lazy, and it takes like twice as long as this, you know, it's long enough as it is without having to do that extra work. And the first time I tried recording the video, I added an item to the cart, that first plastic welder, because I couldn't believe that I didn't see more sales in my account for that thing. So I thought I got to double check this promo code, make sure it's still working. And then as I was going through the tabs making the video, I accidentally went to that tab that has, you know, your full address and everything on it and whatever. So I thought, damn it. And then for me, I'd rather just re-record the whole video than have to edit it, because that's how much I hate editing videos. And now the other thing I hate is the stupid computer like mouses over, you know, like I'm assuming you guys can see that in the thing. When I go over one of my windows that was open, and I did the same thing that had information on it that I can't put on here. And I was like, God damn it. I'm not going to record it again, so now I have to go back and edit that. So if you have a real goofy mid-sentence edit, that's why. I could blur it out, but that's more work. 4-pack retractable casters, $720, little behind the scenes, little inside baseball. Even though you didn't ask for it, don't want it, and wish I would shut up and get onto the deal. 720-pound workbench casters, heavy-duty workbench caster wheels, all steel construction, urethane wheels. This is by Soul Jazz. and it is 45% off. I believe we also have a Prime member discount, so we'll have to take a look here in a second. But it's a 4-pack. I love these little kick-down casters because you put it like it shows you on the table leg there. When you want to move it around, you kick it down, you roll your stuff wherever you want to go. Then when you get it in place, you pop it back up, which is super helpful. Like, I put caster wheels on my table saw and on my miter saw stand because it didn't come with it and everything. But it's just like these little furniture mover casters. And let me tell you, a table saw, a little dangerous and difficult to use on the wheels. Now that it's not actually attached, just sitting there, I just get lazy sometimes and don't knock them off. And it has a tendency to roll around when you're trying to. So kick down caster, much better. When you want it to be stationary, you just pop them wheels up and it don't roll around on you. That gets a little sketchy. $34.99. Let me check what this Prime member thing is. So if you're a Prime member, your discount's starting at $27, and then from there you're going to take another 45% off. So it's like $14 or something. Really good deal for these guys. 660 pound capacity. Next up, we have the Water Flosser, Travel Water Flosser Pick. Cordless mini water dental flosser. It's 44% off, and it's by BitVay. Now, I really just want to tell you guys a little story about this. So, the BitVay Water Flosser, okay, you got all these little things that you can put on the end of it. You put water in the little thing, and then, you know, it's like it flosses with water. It's $28.49. It's 44% off, and that goes through the 20th. Now, let me tell you, I had one by a different brand a couple of years ago or so, and it also had an attachment so you could like squirt it up your nose, right? Because if you've seen like that Navage thing or whatever they call it, the thing that's like supposed to clear out your sinuses, right? So it was probably COVID or something, I don't even know what it was, but I was real sick and nose was just driving me nuts, and I was getting real desperate. You know, none of these cold medicines are working, and you see these commercials for this thing that's like supposed to, I don't know, like circulate water through your brain and then shoot it out the other side or something. And my water flosser thing had an attachment that was like for your nose, but this thing like squirts. It's like a jet, you know what I mean? Like it's a flosser. It's a jet of water. Okay, so and I don't know how that Navage thing works, but this thing. So I put the thing in there and I stick it up there, and I hit the go button, and oh my god, it just like it burned so bad. Oh man, it was terrible. And then I'm thinking, look, just suck it up, deal with it, because we gotta breathe at some point, right? I'm getting real annoyed because when I get COVID for some reason it lasts a month, and oh man, did it burned, and then like your eyes are watering. I wasn't crying, okay? Your eyes are watering because you got pain all up in like the sinal area, you know what I mean? And oh man, it's like, and then like none of it came back out at first. It's like, okay, I know this thing is shooting a bunch of water up my nose. I think it's supposed to come back out at some point. It's just not. And all of a sudden it's just like your nose is like running, just like shit's just falling out. It's a mess, and I'm in pain, and it was terrible. And it didn't work. It did not help at all. If anything, I think it was worse afterwards. So don't stick this thing up your nose, even if they tell you you can't. Oh, man. So I just wanted to include that. Flashlight, rechargeable tactical flashlight, small LED flashlight. I'm still so bummed that now I have to go back and edit this video. Damn it, it's 2 o'clock in the morning. I just want to go to sleep. Fly 50% off. Rechargeable flashlight, tactical flashlight, small LED flashlight, 3 modes, 350 lumens, $14.99, but a 50% promo code, so only $7.50 for a rechargeable flashlight. Now, it's not the brightest in the world, but it is a nice little compact guy. And we like it when they use the USB-Cs, nice and modern of them. Here we have the 2-pack power tool organizers, the wall mount tool storage rack, 200-pound capacity. Wow, that's a lot. You can be hanging some heavy-ass cordless tools on that thing. Let's see, it's by Lionel Only. Lion Only. Only Lion. 50% off. Oh, see, it's not as impressive anymore because it's only 100 pounds each, because you're probably going to be putting it to the max right there. So normally $39.99. We have a 50% promo code that's going to make it $19.99, and that's for two, so it's really only paying $10 a piece. And it's really like these. I got a couple by different brands because there's like 5,000 different brands that are making these things. But you hang them upside down like they have here in the picture. Even the M12 stuff fits on mine because the handles kind of get fatter at the base, so they'll slide on there as well. And I'll tell you what I like to do, especially like on these end ones, is turn this thing sideways so then you can get two on each little rack. Then you got the extra little shelves. I put the extra batteries up here. I have a little system where when my batteries need to get charged, I put them in, well, my charger's in the house now, but it's hooked up to a solar panel. Anyway, so I bring them, the ones that need to be charged inside, and then once they're charged, I slap them on these shelves so I know which batteries are fully charged and ready to go. So there it is, guys, the latest amazing Amazon tool deals. Again, if we get time, I'm not going to record it right now, so we'll see what happens. You know, it's getting cold out. We're into basically middle of November, and I still got some yard type stuff to do, and we've been super busy with all the videos and tool deals, like the Black Friday stuff starting to come out, and I'm even falling behind on some of that. I feel like it's like non-stop. Anyway, I got to get some stuff done outside before it gets way too miserable to be doing it anymore, because it's only going to get colder if you didn't notice for like the next 6 months. But I already have the video all like ready. I already found all the stuff. I got it all ready to go. It's like I already did the hard part, so I really should be just doing it. But it got too late in the day for me, and I'm not doing it now. Anyway, everything's linked down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like. Subscribe for a nice subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.